This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make the best milkshakes you'll ever try. To begin, always choose premium, full-fat ice cream as your foundation. It truly makes a difference in richness. Pair it with very cold whole milk for that perfect creamy texture. Don't forget to chill your serving glasses for at least 30 minutes before blending. And a robust blender is key to achieving a wonderfully smooth, lump-free consistency every single time. Now, let's get creative with flavors. Beyond the timeless chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry, consider adding fresh, ripe fruits like bananas or a handful of sweet berries for a natural burst of flavor. For extra indulgence, blend in your favorite cookies, candy pieces, or a generous spoonful of creamy peanut butter. A small dash of vanilla or almond extract can also elevate the taste profile significantly, making your milkshake truly unforgettable. Achieving that ideal milkshake consistency is crucial. A good starting point is a 2-to-1 ratio of ice cream to milk. For example, 2 cups of ice cream to 1 cup of milk. Begin blending on a low speed to gently break down the ice cream, then slowly increase the speed until everything is perfectly smooth. Be careful not to overblend, as this can melt the ice cream too quickly. If it's too thick, add milk 1 tablespoon at a time until it's just right. Finally, let's talk about presentation and enjoyment. Once blended, immediately pour your magnificent milkshake into your pre-chilled glass. Now for the fun part, toppings. A generous swirl of whipped cream, a bright red cherry, or some delicate chocolate shavings always look fantastic. For an extra touch, drizzle with rich caramel, warm hot fudge, or a vibrant fruit sauce. Grab a wide straw and savor every single sip of your perfectly crafted, delicious milkshake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.